Hi, I'm Mark, and I'm excited to share that I'm now a HeyGen Ambassador. Woohoo! HeyGen is an AI-powered video platform that creates professional studio-quality voices and avatars like me. Yep, I don't work in no office. I'm not even in New York. Heck, I don't even own a suit. With HeyGen, I can take an elevator from New York to Tokyo just like that. Or I could take these stairs to a beach in Thailand. Be anywhere.
Say anything, wear anything, without even leaving your house.
HeyGen! Hi guys, join me and learn how to create me. Well, not me. Me, like me, but not me. Of you. Not me, but like me, but of course of you. I mean, you can learn how to create a digital twin like me, but not me. You, like me, but not me. Of you, but not really you. It would be like me, but not me. It would be of you, but not really you. It would be like me, but not me. It would be like me, but not me. You, but not really you. So you can be like me, but with you as you. Free webinar, Avatars, Agents, and AI, oh my. I'll show you how to create your own digital twin like me. Well, us, but not us, not me. Of you. Are you scared of losing your job to AI? AI didn't take my job. It expanded my creativity, my tool set, my capabilities, and helps turn my creative visions into reality. Ow! I used to just create videos, but now I can be the writer, the director, the producer, and sometimes I'm even the star. Join me, us, for Avatars, Agents, and AI, oh my, at Training Magazine Network Online, July 22nd. The train is leaving. Are you getting on? My name is Mark Itskowitch. I'm Mark Itskowitch. My name is Mark Itskowitch.
3 contestants. Each one swears he's the real Mark Itskowitch.
HeyGen Ambassador, Adobe Certified Instructor, and AI video creator. Full performance. I can show you my Call me stiff. I'm the real Mark.
Find out on To Tell the Truth, live during our free webinar, Avatars, Agents, and AI, oh my. Build your own digital twin with HeyGen. Wednesday, July 22nd, only on Training Magazine Network.